Hello my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost. Myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you beautiful tour and travel agency website. Bootstrap 5, full responsive and perfectly for your business as well. So friends, if you will have any kind of query, suggestion, requirement, then feel free to comment on this video. Also, please contact me via my blog, therichpost.com blog, contact us page, my email ID, WhatsApp number, and Apple card as well. Also, you will get multiple free demos as well and dashboards. And also, I am full-time freelancer. You can hire me for your services, friends. And this is the demo, the tour travel. And if you want this kind of website, then feel free to contact me anytime. I can make this website simple HTML and Bootstrap 5 in one day for you as well, with reasonable charges as well. So friends, here we go. See guys, the top section, menus, mini cart, the login, and the sidebar as well. Now the main header section. See guys, beautiful sweater as well. The main advanced search area. See friends, beautiful. Scroll down, see, beautiful section. Amazing waiting, something amazing waiting for you. See friends. Again, I must say guys, if you want any kind of website, then feel free to contact me anytime, or dashboards as well. See the image, title, location, days, and pricing as well per person. Rating as well. Discover your next trip section, free guys forever, like best travel agency, secure journey with us, beautiful area discount section, next destinations, see friends, price, Australia, New York, and Spain City. Just beautiful. Scroll down, see the popular destinations, see the beautiful image. Wow. The client testimonials, latest news section or blog section as well, app section, and the footer as well. So guys, see the beautiful tour travel agency website for you. And friends, after this I will come with more things, and if you will have or you want more things like admin dashboard, then you can go to my blog and check the multiple free things you will get. E-commerce templates, Bootstrap 5 templates, AngularJS, React.js, Vue.js, so many things, and in free of cost. And friends, in the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.